Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your computer. The keyboard handles all character movement and actions, while the mouse manages your camera view and precise interactions. We will cover the essential default controls, which are designed for intuitive gameplay. Mastering these basics will provide a solid foundation for your adventures in the blocky world, allowing for smooth navigation and effective item management. Moving around Minecraft is straightforward. Use the W key to move forward, S to move backward, A to strafe left, and D to strafe right. The spacebar is your jump key. A quick double tap allows you to fly in creative mode. Your mouse is crucial for interaction. Left-click to break blocks or attack enemies, and right-click to place blocks, open doors, or use items. These core movements and actions are the building blocks of all your in-game activities. Effective item management and combat are key to survival. Press E to open your inventory, where you can organize items and craft basic tools. Your hotbar, accessible via the scroll wheel or number keys 1 through 9, holds your most frequently used items. Crafting involves placing materials in specific patterns on a crafting grid. For combat, equip a weapon and left-click to strike enemies. Remember to time your attacks for maximum damage and block with a shield using right-click. Minecraft offers extensive control customization. You can rebind almost any key through the options menu to suit your playstyle, enhancing comfort and efficiency. The Shift key allows you to sneak, which is vital for not falling off ledges and remaining undetected by certain mobs. Pressing F3 brings up a debug screen, displaying useful information such as your current coordinates and the biome you are in. Adjusting your mouse sensitivity can significantly improve aiming and camera control, so find what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.